Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Affirm Holdings INC. Now the stocks which has fallen a lot from 2021 has finally seen some respite, where the overall trend is at least bouncing back from the big lows that the stock has made. In this case, Affirm Holdings has made. As you can see from the highs, it has fallen like 90%. So substantial amount of fall has happened, and now finally some respite. So let us look into it and let us see what's the trend is all about. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now just focus on this trend, and right now we are just doing some hypothesis, where right now what we can do, we can just assume that this is the final low that the stock has made, and from here the stock may consolidate or correct a bit, but it will not go below the trend line. This is what we can assume right now. So with this, we have our immediate support of 17.15, and we have our stop loss of $13. So please do not go below or specifically below these two levels. That's the most important thing you need to understand. Now what are we looking at as far as the upside is concerned? You have your immediate target, or I would rather say your immediate resistance at 26.26 or 26.3. Only if the stock sustains above 26.3, you will have a further move on the upside, right? The stock must sustain above 26.3 for having a further move as far as the trend is concerned. Now beyond 26.3, what do we have here? Beyond 26.3, we have our next range, which is in between 47.51.9, and it may extend up to $56. So these are the three specific levels which we are going to look as far as the next couple of levels are concerned, right? So this is what we are looking at as far as the next couple of levels. So as you may see, there are some important levels, and we will go segment after segment. We are not singly looking at, or we are looking at big target at a single stretch. We are not doing things like that. Now only after $56, or once the stock crossed $56, we will move further on the upside, where we have our next trend or next range, and it will be in between $80 and $85. This is what we are looking at, and beyond 85, we will probably move towards the previous high of November 2021, and it will be in between 149 and 175. Now the big question is, why should I assume that the stock may go back and retest its previous high? This may also be a question. So right now there is no clear answer for that. As far as the trend is concerned, we have to see how market evolve, and simultaneously how the stock will go with the market. If the momentum is fine, and I have already told you about the levels from 26 to 56, then from 56 to 85, from 85 to 150. If we have good momentum, sooner or later it will catch up, either or before or with the market. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.